What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to cook some slow braised ox cheeks or beef cheeks, whatever you want to call them. It's going to be very simple. It's going to have some garlic, carrots, onions and celery. I'm going to sear the cheeks off into the pan with some oil, and then I'm going to make like a sauce for it to cook in a casserole for about 3 to 4 hours. So you can see it's a very tough meat, but it's meant to be the most flavorful meat in the whole cow. So I want to see what it's all about. The most of the fat is trimmed off, you can see, but this is the first time I'm gonna try beef cheeks, so I'm really excited to try these and see what they're all about. But I've heard that they're the best part of the animal to try. So here now I've added the mirror sauce, which was the onion, carrots and the celery. I've sweated them off for about 10 minutes on high heat. Then I've added some beef stock with 2 chicken cubes, granule cubes, like OXO cubes. I've added some garlic, about 4 cloves, and I've added some soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce as well. And now I'm going to let that come to a slight boil, and then I'll mix that together, and then I'm going to put that in the casserole. So that's going to be ready for the oven for 4 hours now. I've added a little bit of thyme, salt and pepper in there as well, and just submerge that, make sure it's kind of covering the meat, and that's going to be in the oven about 160 degrees for 4 hours. So yeah.